for the most part, most website domain providers like Crazy Domains and Namecheap and GoDaddy and people like that will let you put up what's called a website coming soon or website under construction kind of HTML page. They'll let you put that up, and I just put that up. It's free to do. Just put that up and that'll be fine. But if you don't have a website and you're going through the process of going through the Amazon process, then just put TBC to be confirmed, and that's okay. Remember, you don't need a website to sell on Amazon. They ask you if you've got one because they'll want to go check it out if you have, but if you haven't, it's not a biggie, don't worry. As far as I'm aware, it doesn't count against you not to have a website. It's just they ask if you've got one so they can go and check it out. If you don't, that's no dramas. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.